So today we're going to have a PR-200 live demo. First part of the process from an operational standpoint is a tray capable of holding up to 2,000 units. The machine knows when to dispense the next stack or the next tower of cones here. Remember too that it's plus or minus 2,000 just because different sizes are going to either give you less or more per tray. But an operator is really only interacting with this part of the process really about once every hour. You see the laser down there reading when the machine needs to dispense the next unit, and it does so. So super easy from an operating standpoint. Not a lot of interface or interaction that the operator needs to really have. So working kind of around the machine, we have our hopper here that'll hold up to about a ½ pound. We would suggest probably keeping it around a ½ pound and just adding scoops throughout the throughout production. I like to kind of explain this part of the process as a concrete mixer that is agitating the material very lightly, but it's ensuring that we don't get any clumping within the hopper, so we have even weights and even flow, which is the next step from our process. So we'll walk around the HMI screen, which is where obviously the operator is doing interface. But we've got a scale here that's accurate to the 100th of a gram. The beauty of this system is that the scale is so incredibly accurate that you can tighten your tolerances very, very tight. On the off chance that you get a large nug of material that hits the scale, throws you out of your tolerance, we actually have a bin here that's a capturing bin. You can recapture and then put it back inside your hopper to just continue to run. This is the part of the process that makes the PR-200 probably one of the most advanced systems in the entire industry with auto-adapting technology. The auto-adapting technology is the machine's way to create a feedback loop to measure density for pressure to ensure that every single pre-roll unit comes out with the highest quality possible. So the machine is actually doing the adjustments without operator interface to guarantee a perfect pre-roll every single time. The thing that makes the PR-200 beyond the auto-adapting technology really special is that you can produce any style pre-roll that you've ever seen in the industry on the system with minimal changes, more so changes from an HMI interface than mechanical changes. If you want to do a reefer, you want to do a straight, you want to do an open top cigarette, that can all happen on this system without having to change anything but the interface itself. So you see the twisting mechanism here. We can do a twist, flag, handle wick, Dutch crown, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. This machine adapts with you, provides just versatility within the market with the same system. No longer do you need to go back to the drawing board when the market pivots to get another piece of equipment. I get the question all the time of, how large can we go? And the reality is, this machine will do exactly what you want it to do. Any style that you've seen, any weight that you've seen really floating around out there, this system should be able to maintain that and produce a quality pre-roll every time. And then the final step here, we don't have it set up on this particular system, but you could actually add a wave check system. Final step here, there would be a paddle that mechanizes and then kicks pre-rolls that are out of your spec. So that could be added here as a final weight check system. Pre-rolls get a really bad rap because of historically you have issues with quality and the consumption experience that we're all chasing in this industry. So with this equipment and the auto-adapting technology on the PR-200, you're getting a pre-roll that has even density all throughout the smoke. We're not going to canoe. And again, it's all about the quality consumption, and that's what we focus on at PreRoll-Er.